In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to suggest edits in Google Drive documents using a computer. Suggesting edits is perfect when you want to propose changes without altering the original text, making it easy for the document owner to review, accept, or reject your ideas. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to drive.google.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log into your Google account. Make sure you're using the account that has access to the document you want to work on. Once you're in Google Drive, open the Google Docs file you want to edit. You can double-click it from your list of files, or use the search bar at the top if it's hard to find. If someone shared the document with you, it may appear under the Shared with Me section. When the document opens, look to the top right corner of the page for the mode icon. It typically looks like a small pencil and may display the word Editing. Click that icon to open the Editing Modes menu, then select Suggesting. This mode tells Google Docs that every change you make should be treated as a suggestion rather than a direct edit. Now, make your edits as you normally would. Type new text, remove wording that doesn't fit, or adjust phrasing for clarity. In suggesting mode, insertions will appear in a different color, and deletions will show as strike-throughs. Each change is accompanied by a note in the right margin, indicating what was changed and who suggested it. This keeps the original document intact while clearly showing your proposed updates. As you work, remember that your changes are not final. They're presented as suggestions, which means the document owner, or anyone with the appropriate permissions, can accept or reject them individually. They'll see options to confirm a change or dismiss it, and when accepted, the suggestion becomes part of the document. If it's rejected, the original text remains unchanged. This process makes collaboration transparent and reduces the chance of miscommunication. A quick tip: if you're suggesting major revisions, consider leaving brief explanations in the suggestion comments to provide context. Clear notes help the owner understand your intent and make faster decisions. That's all you need to start suggesting edits in Google Docs from your computer. It's a simple workflow that keeps everyone aligned and the document clean. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.